Hi guys, and welcome to ECOMINDSETS video of the day. In this video, I will speak on the topic, how to profit in trading Forex. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new. And also press the bell notification button to stay notified anytime we release new videos. Now, let's get into action. One of the biggest and leading markets worldwide, as we all know, is the Forex market. This market is so lucrative that it can bring you huge profits. But to new and inexperienced traders, it can be very risky. The market is so dynamic, hence each trader needs to develop a personal trading strategy that has a high success rate and follow it consistently. One must acquire a great level of knowledge before considering trading. Experience and knowledge cannot be exchanged when it comes to Forex trading. Get all the necessary resources, ranging from ebooks to videos. Get a professional in the field to mentor you and give some hidden ideas in the business. Create a demo account with a broker, and practice with it till you become conversant with your strategy, since this demo accounts are virtual money and also risk-free. This gives you the ability to know if what you are learning is working for you or not. Create a live account once you are confident about your strategy. When selecting brokers, consider their regulation. They should be regulated by an institution globally recognized with proof of registration or license number. If you have any difficulty in choosing brokers, then you can check out our recommended ones in the description of this video. As a new trader, the best leverage to use is 1 to 200 or 1 to 500. One key thing to note is that the emotion connection attached to demo trading is a bit different from that of a live account or real money. You can make a great success with the demo but may not do that great with real money account. This is due to human psychology and emotion. Trading demo is risk-free, while with real money trading, you stand to the chance of losing your capital. It is this fear of losing your capital that causes most traders not to see a lot of success trading live accounts. One thing you must do to combat the number one enemy in trading, emotions, is to always stay calm, develop a working strategy and go by it no matter what. You may have some losing trades, but that should rather be a learning trade for you to find out why your method or strategy failed you at that time. Then make corrections and move on. Always remember to trade money you can afford to lose. As I always say, Forex is not a get-rich-quick business. It requires a lot of patience and less or no emotions attached to it. Thank you for watching this video. Look out for our next video. Check out some great brokers who offer the best trading products in the description below.